Hello. I have found the 64 that I was using before, but there's a good reason that I'm not using it. And I will check and see that the SID works, and I'm sure the SID will work, and I'm sure it will be fine. But this one, it really does not display well on this monitor. It just doesn't. And after this has run through its thing and we hear the SID chip go, then I'm sure you can see. Now there may be it may just need to be turned up inside. Don't worry that it's as bad. There comes the sound test. Well, that doesn't sound so incredibly wonderful on the noise things, but you know, who knows. So you know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to give you an example of how I copy cartridges. Oh, that's interesting. You see, this really looks terrible. Even, oh, I can't even see what I'm typing. Oh, 53280, comma 0. Nope. It just looks awful. And even when I like to see it's all washed out. Like that's supposed to be white. It's like a rainbow thing. Yeah. Well, I suppose what we can do, as we're here, just give the SID a test. Because if I'm gonna try and do anything else with this, maybe like there's a way I can open up this machine and tweak the video signal upwards, and that might help. But if the SID chip isn't working, and it says it's working, but I'm kind of dubious of how, like the fourth voice was not all that loud and impressive. Let's just please wait. Yes, please wait. Yeah, we'll do. Because there's no director on this disc. I don't know why they wouldn't do that if they were sending this disc out as it was. Anyway, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. And as you can see, it's really kind of funny. Same machine looks wonderful on the Commodore monitor, but not this. All right. So this will be a quick test, and then we'll see if I open this up and try and tweak the video, or if I just go look for another 64. So I was going to do G and press space when done. That's all I was going to do. Alright, so I guess I have to decide right quick. Do I want to tinker with the 64 right now? And the answer is no, I probably don't, but yes, I probably will. So I think we've had enough of this for the moment. Stay tuned as I see if I can pump up this video, or if it's a lost cause. And I think it's a lost cause, but I'll give it a try. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.